welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A53 and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just the home screen as an example for this. So once your content is open and visible, simply press power key and volume down at the same time. Just a single click, like so. As you can see, the edges of the display will flash, and then you will get this option with edit, share, or tag options. And after like a second, they just simply disappear. That's completely fine because the image can be found in your gallery application. As you can see, it's right over here. So it's going to be visible in just the pictures with all photos and everything, but you can also locate it under albums where it's organized in its own album called screenshots. And any kind of screenshot that I have captured over the time will be always located in here, so you can find it. Anyway, that is how you can capture a screenshot, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.